Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the Romania government scholarships for undergraduate, masters, and PhD. These are fully funded scholarships for international students. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? How do you process the application? How to fill the sections of that application? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, do like and share this video. Also, do follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. The link for this Romania government scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links for the scholarships are given in the respective descriptions. Also, you can see the post description on Instagram. Link is also given there. And on the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are given there. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmedog.com. Once you visit our website, you can apply for this particular opportunity. So we'll go through this opportunity, and you can see that. So you can see Romania government through Ministry of Foreign Affairs offers this scholarship to foreign citizens to complete their undergraduate, master's, and doctoral degree for the academic session 2026-2027. So host country is Romania. It's in the Europe. You can study undergraduate, postgraduate, or master's and PhD degrees, and all countries are eligible to apply. This is a fully funded full scholarship with accommodation and 1,020 euro of stipends. Then deadline will be March 31st to complete this application. So Romania government each year offers this scholarship to non-EU citizens through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and there are depends on the program you are applying, and scholarship will be covering that much of years. So for masters it will be 1 or 2 years, and for doctoral studies 3 to 5 years. And similarly, you can check out the eligibility requirements for this opportunity here, and the you should be an international student, non-EU citizen, and be able to complete the application here, submit the application, and present study documents issued by the accredited recognized governments or boards that you have previously studied in must be available at the submission time, and some basic details. Then benefits of this scholarship: financing, tuition fee, accommodation expenses, monthly grants, currency. You can see 65 euros for undergrad, and 75 for masters, and 85 for PhD. Required documents: diplomas, transcript, birth certificate, passport, CV. And how do you apply? Simply scroll down. At the end, you can see deadline is April 3rd. Let me cross check it. We'll cross check it on the official website here. Once again, there's an there previously the deadline was mentioned 31st is the deadline. So yeah, 31st March is the deadline. So as mentioned on the official website as well. So now once you're on the official website, so click on the apply now button here, and it will take you to this account where you can sign up or log in. For the first time users, you have to click on create an account here, and simply use the email and create a password. Now enter your first name, your last name, your email address, create a password here, and enter this captcha and click on create my account. So you should also check spam folder for verification email. We already have created an account, so we'll simply use the email and password that we have generated and simply log in. Here is my username and password that I have already created. I'll simply log in with the same details. You can see we have successfully logged in. Here are some previously demo applications. Now for you, these won't be available, so you have to just start a new process. Click on start your application here, and you have to fill in personal details. So you have to check all the terms and conditions here and agree to these, tick them every. Now click on I understand. After that, you can see your first name, your last name, and then your father's name, then your mother's name, then select your gender, then select your date of birth. This should be as per the passport. Make sure you don't make any mistakes in this one. Then civil status, mention that. Then click on next step. So you can see there are notifications. You should be careful about submitting this. So mention your country, your city of birth, And place issue of passport, you have to mention that. Passport serial number and date of issue of passport, date of expiry of passport. After that, country of residence, city of residence, and complete postal address, citizenship, and then click on next step. So you have to complete this one by one. Now you have to upload all the files one by one. First is the bachelor's degree, studies and document that you desire to study. So we'll be studying bachelor's degree here. Do you need a Romanian preparatory year? So we don't need. Your high school grades will mention, and high school grading system. Diploma issued by, so you have to mention the country where you have studied. So now upload your CV in English language. So one by one you have to complete all the sections here. So let's submit that. Now upload, if you have studied, you want to study in Romanian language, you have to upload the Romanian proof, but this is not optional. This is optional. So now upload your birth certificate. And if you have these documents to be uploaded, you can submit them. Now upload your apostille or authenticated, or you can say government certified document, apostille document, or HRD or notary documents. After that, upload that documents. Now upload your apostille high school transcripts. And now upload your experience certificate. If you have any else, you can click on next step. So you can see now we have to select the universities where we wish to study. You can choose any of the universities that you prefer, or you can cross check the information first where your course is preferred course is available. And we'll just mention University of Bucharest and select the domain. We'll go with the subject computer science here. Second university, we'll choose University of Audion, and we'll select the domain of the subject here. So domain of the subject will be computer science, and I'll select that. After that, now click on preview your application. So you can see we have completed almost all the sections. So you must upload your national ID or passport here. So let's select the national ID where it is mentioned. At step 3, let me directly click on this and it will take you to step 3. So okay, we need to upload a passport here. Let me just upload a passport. Here I have uploaded that. Click on next step and directly go to review, and you can see our application are now almost in the final phase. You can see we can submit. You can tick this and understand that I agree, and now you can see review your application. We are ready. Click on submit your application. Click on OK. And by this simple step, you can see your application has been submitted successfully. You'll be notified by email, and when the evaluation process is complete, please check your spam or junk section. Let me just go to the Gmail and see if the confirmation email is already there. You can see scholarship application submitted successfully. Your application number is this. So you can see we have successfully completed the scholarship here. Application is now done. Okay, we can go and view our application forms. You can also download this application form. And as of now, we have completed this part here. So you can see our form is there, and Let me just open this one again and show you our dashboard. You can see we have completed our application for this session. You can see these were also previous demo applications, and this year we have also completed the demo application. So you should check out the eligibility. You can see personal data, upload document, choose university, review application, waiting for an answer. And so evaluation results will be declared by July 15, 2026. So until then, please have a look on email and be patient. And you can also check out other scholarships from our website, fullscholarships.net. Other government scholarships are also open, and every government scholarship that is open right now, we have published that. You can see Romania government scholarship, Belgium government scholarship, Germany government scholarship, Thailand government scholarship, Korea government scholarship. Every government scholarship is right now open for the session 2026 2027. So you should not hesitate, apply, watch our videos. You can see a free guidance session here. It will, or on the YouTube channel you can watch any of the videos that you wish to apply. Every process is given here, detailed step by step. For more updates, please subscribe and like this video. Keep watching, keep sharing. Have a nice day ahead.